Hi guys, in this episode we wanna integrate tab navigation in our React Native application. So let's go to the React Navigation official documentation and install tab navigation in our React Native application. Okay, then import create bottom tab navigator from React Navigation bottom tabs. Copy this and import, and we can create tabs using create bottom tab navigator. So const tabs equals create bottom tab navigator. Const tabs equals put an arrow function and return tabs dot we can rename the navigation stack as tabs nav. Okay, so tabs dot navigate inside tab dot navigator you can write specific screen. So tabs dot screen name equals the first tab is feed screen, name of the screen is feed screen, and the component feed screen. Second screen is search home screen. Third one gallery screen. The last one is activity notification. Yeah, that's it. Then put these tabs nav inside the stack. So once a login happens, it will navigate to the tabs section. So inside a stack, name of this stack screen is tab nav, component is tab nav. Okay, let's go to the login screen. This is the primary button. On press login, let's bind this function. This dot on press login equals this dot on press login button dot bind. Write an arrow function, and when login button press, it will navigate to the tab section. So this dot props dot navigation dot navigate to name of this screen is tab nav. So give it here. Let's try whether it is working. Once press login button, what happens? Yeah, it will go to the tab section. So as we can see here, feed screen, search home screen, gallery and activity notifications are visible. And we already wrote some footer for specific screens, so we don't need that anymore, so we can remove that. So go to the feed screen first and remove the footer from there. Do the same for all the other screens, like search home screen, and gallery, yeah, there is no footer. So next is activity notification. Done. Okay, so next is give icon instead of the tab name. Okay, we can do the same feature using screen options. Let's check the official documentation. So inside screen options, we can set the icons for specific tabs as well as the styles. So let's copy this. Icon, so we don't need these icons. So first import icon is already imported here, so we can use icon, and name of the icon is icon name, and the color let's create a new variable, let icon color. Size is, let's give 25. If the row name is feed screen, icon name is it's actually home, and icon color is if feed screen is focused, you can give the color of black, else colors dot gray. Let's try this. In the feed screen, you can see the home icon, and we don't need that label under that icon, so we can get rid of that icon using show label of false. Inside tab bar options, show label false. if root name equals search home screen, then the icon name would be search. The icon color is same. If icon color is focused, we need to change the color. If it is focused, then returns black, else gray. So do the same for search icon. Icon color equal focused. If it is focused, return black, else gray. So next is gallery screen. And the last one is activity notification. Okay, once the tab bar is implemented, we can move to the next functionality, that is pop-up model. When we press this add button, we have to show a pop-up which should contain the full screen of the device. So for that, let's go to tab screen here, and we have to add a new stack screen here with the component gallery screen. So comment this gallery screen here and create a new stack screen. Gallery screen, component gallery screen, and inside tabs, inside the listeners, navigations, tab press, prevent default, navigations dot navigate to, this gallery screen, and we can remove the name of this tab from here, and we can create a component named cons create equal to view the style flags of one give that component here. Name of the component is create so name of the component is create. Here you can create another component with full screen model, so const model equals view style of flags 1. Inside that view give your gallery screen, and then give the model here. So name of the screen is model. Inside a listener, fast navigation and route. On tab press view.prevent default and navigation dot navigator model. Let's test this. On pressing the plus icon, model will be appear. Also the footer will be disappear. So this is how we can integrate tab navigation into our React Native application.